Is it your money? Eye usika polo. Eye usika. Men ko kan chile nkrofo say wunim pinaman na pinaman wo ne store na ese bathroom. When you do that, you force me to come and be saying things. I don't like that. Enka Auntie Khadija frame me. E ka chile me say nkrofo stars say and person o use for the brander. Enka me na member no the list of stars will be use. And obviously polo me fa won to. I will not put you in it. Memma me benye video ma ubium. If you don't know me, ask about me very well. Memma me benye video ma ubium. Me way me so some phone so. And I don't support friends even when they are wrong. I don't support friends even when they are wrong. I tell them say they why you know you're wrong. And that is what your godmother, those called celebs know. Rachel catchero. It's the Rachel catchero say you open an apology. And yes, Hadia, I am going to make sure that Pinaman law firm, you know, they will bring a lawsuit to you, and I'll make sure I remain in Ghana to make sure that you face the full cost of the law, because means sorry and defame a brand that someone has built, and all this one Pinaman ayedi no nkasa. Do you know why she was quiet? Only me enter Pinaman ayedi on nkasa. Mema me benye video ma ubium. Ekwapin polo tie maso tie niye. Me mpese me ba benye video bia ma ubium. Mimpesa menewo yebe nya banta, because banta no so there obi anu oni nya banta krampo where we need that. Leave Pinaman out of your mouth. Leave Pinaman out of your mouth. Netie there those call celebs no all catchera no. Ewiase obi ayo obi and obi anso ni mobi. Obi ayo obi and obi anso ni mobi. Enti jai sa childish thing now we no. If you Schwarzenegger the brand is different, Tracy Boache the brand is different, Zion Felix, Menalin, Obia brand different. Different. And Pinaman is the one who has her own money, and she can decide to say, me pesa me signing Ghana actors in now me brand so to me in casa because who polo only a signing who first into no omudu haters about, but who are your haters? Who are your haters? Asama me anti kasha me kwapo chile say Tracy Boachini Schwarzenegger ni we omo dream wo. They are not thinking about you. Fela Makafu especially on dream wo ba kokra, because anka omo dream wo a enka omo and omo be kwakọ sell wa mama me no for the woman to take you off the brand, but they didn't do that. Who and I will send a message come mama me no said they hate me, they do this, why did you put them up? Why would you do that? Why will you do that? Because the woman didn't know that you have problems with anybody. Who and I would call you? So the woman had to come ask them. As I saw baby so almost say I don't money polo ntokwa. Nti wo ka chere na ga wo ka chere so fashion ko to dwanu ana. As I saw obi say omo because she is the one paying. She is the one paying. I don't Ghana for motisa. Mo ankasa muti kro mu na mu hate mo ho. You people are calling yourself celebrities and then you are backbiting each other. You are doing this. You signing mu nyina brand back so na mu nyina mu didi na ye den polo. Na ye den. Should we move the mountains because you are angry? Should we move the mountains into the sea because you are angry, Polo? Because you are bitter? Huh? Or you think Ghana is for you, eh? And now we are doing us and Yentia until I say, I say, go with the more. Obey steady. Equapin Polo. Yes, steady, pa. Yes, steady. Neja Senia. Who person who can go for celebrities need to boom for Pinaman to look bad. Because say Pinaman seminar person we there, then you have to be ready for me. Trust me. Ubeye ready, amame pa. The same thing. Me go interview. Even before me interview Susan the boss, no me be permission. Now me can say girl no, ma me interview no. Nebia or wasembi can. O say here then a girl no my interview girl need to work for block me. Now who polo ya say me dream one na. Ah? Ya say me dream. Obi pe wasem keke na me pe wasem because you are very bubbly. But me nim say usuban say na usuban te. Me nim da say na usuban te. How can you do such a thing? Say maame na koka wo asem a kire Efia Schwarzenegger. Eye wo na wo ko di Efia Schwarzenegger asem ko ma maame ne first. Because Efia Schwarzenegger on dream wo, Tracy Boache on dream wo, medical on dream wo, Fela Makafu crampo de onu po de bobo on dream wo kra. They all were, and as a matter of fact, maame na ankasa Auntie Khadija on one kasa and no share obia page celebrities no obia page no any followers no text you almost say me pesa uye bibi mami enti no obia celebrity bi amfa we chi say oko message ma me say o pesa o ye brand ambassador. No, it's the woman who messaged them. Miss Bell even 2018 ton and no message Miss Bell, but Miss Bell you obia o read ne Instagram messages enti Miss Bell we hu ade ne krantem 2018 ton na your message Miss Bell. How about that? It's because Kofori introduced you to Auntie Khadija. That's the reason why you were the first to your friend is saying you were the first to start endorsing this thing. And to the next say apart from you no, mema yemfa tuntum for nkwala hair kits ni ade ni nyina no. Polo yemfa wenim ento nkwala brand so. What are you talking about? I don't know Ghana for mu didi wo be am pesa mu nyonko be didi bi. Ralph Ben so no. Ah, Polo. Ralph Ben no. And only those celebs can say, waka, sister, umbuadia, nkofo bi mu ade sen. Se umbuadia, nkofo bi wo ha ye mbushi, wi ase ye we, ye hu nipa te se agie. Me mama benye video ma obi about this thing. O de mama ntwen keke na me nti say yes why a video bi o you are trying to tarnish Pinaman's name again, and then we will take it from there. Aden celebrity be anywhere or dream. I know say sometimes the celebrities want to treat you differently because ebiana usuba o mani nje ho uba me show so obekasa e me kwa me support e o me can say oh and sa na Lydia Force here ya wanya de sa na Prince David here ya wanya de me nka say because who Polo me mpe wasem anasent when you are wrong I will come and support you. I will come and support you there be. And I remember one thing soon said those cost celebs ye nim baby ote wo Germany ho. Free akọ Germany is enye. Don't depend on your godmother because you will push me. You will push us. Don't think member pa asem ma those cost celebs. Hwe no am be pe asem ama no. Mongo ka say those cost celebs Mona Gucci say me say on share na Ekwapin Polo am pe asem ama no. E dey asem. Celebrities ni nyina Ekwapin Polo any Efia Schwarzenegger and a Kofori edi omo ema Pinaman. Yes. Into no mama Polo and Gina Baby can say Cardi B. You came on my show and came to say Cardi B and Cardi B is the reason why after meeting Cardi B in a Pinaman befa. No. Polo. Who himself me no discuss it me obeko to wo US no me no discuss here no se me so me ka se me ko bisa other celebrities so monka wusuba nchire me ansana yetimi ayesa we na who him say like they will say me ma menye because of suban ya wo daddy because of suban we wo daddy me pe wasempa but the way wo ye disrespectful no many nje won kra disrespectful dem patcho ye krom na e wo kra ye krom ye enu ne edi dware enu ne ye hye so don't even go there. Don't even go there. Says I on it, Tracy Bwache, and Danfufua. What has that got to? Just because you are not in good terms with Tracy Bwache internet day, and so Zion should not be on this thing. Zion shouldn't be on a brand that you are on. Is the company for you? Is the brand for you? Is it your money that they are using to pay the celebrities? Polo, I don't let me come and do video for you again. Mempesa. Thank you. Go talking about you to the woman, so the woman has no idea that you even have a problem about you. Fela McCaffrey medical, no one mentioned your name, so money was a problem. Mama no ko post Ekwapin Polo videos ni pictures kwa on the page. This same Tracy Bwache, this same Efia Shwa, they go to like it. They go to like your picture on the woman's page. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Since baby, I would did more be and the DB. Asama na oka no Ekwapin Polo. Jai. Nyansa semna o godmother Rachel na Efieje we ka kire no. Fasha wasum, put it in your ear and know say you have wronged Pinaman. Now we say waka. Okay, you wait. So we say waka. We will also show you that waka. You will retract and you will swallow your words back. Just wait for it. Ade Ukasa obi suro wana, obi ensuro. Polo, obi ensuro. Ginkran krom ha enya wodi ha. We are all citizens of Ghana. Any so we are entitled to having peace of mind. Penaman so is a citizen of Ghana. Also, she's entitled to having peace of mind. And I mean, why didn't you? Do you know who Penaman is? Do you know who Penaman is? Or you don't? Who nim Polo? Who nim? You are the genesis of this whole thing. This whole Penaman brand, who Polo, you are the genesis of it. And I will go intro actually if you are and if you are those cause celebs no. And also because I God bad and so also the yaw ever church on some phone ever Penaman home. And now she is unknown as and yaboke yaswan. Because onona who Polo who feels she's untouchable. Usa Polo who ye GA. And those cause celebs is the one that we will deal with. Ono ne yabe handle no we say Ghana han obi ni mobi and obi anso ni mobi. Say those cause celebs na why you say BBA na you be doing video and be insulting people and be disrespecting people na and they one near name Polo one near name who dia who your branch who root no and you be tackle into who your badwene ba asem o ka kire o no e wo phone so ka kire say one year ni yie no jitum say one year ni yie and you owe Penaman an apology. I don't want to give you a number of days, but only Rachel, you owe Penaman an apology because who done it the entire story. Edit to my man, so she didn't want to talk because we knew what we were doing, and time is up. It is also waka. Let's see how you will be made to swallow your words again. You look good without makeup. Please stop doing makeup and be natural. 3145 Bernice, I do makeup only for TV. I don't do makeup when I'm going out. I can't go and host my show without doing makeup. So when I'm not shooting, I will not do makeup, okay? I will leave it natural. Aishabella, I think Polo is overreacting. Yes, she is. And where that overreactions will take her, no, when she gets there, no, she will be quiet. Gracie Echan, Mona, don't do makeups again because I love your natural face. You're looking good. Thank you, my love. I won't do it again. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Tonight, I'm still going to talk about this on Kansanka TV.